Welcome back to Bike Review TV. Today, we are taking a closer look at the 2027 Tata Desh Rakshak 600 km Range Auto Rickshaw. At first glance, this is not an ordinary auto rickshaw. Its powerful motorcycle-inspired front, premium body design, and double-floor layout make it stand out from anything we've seen before. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because at the end I'll reveal the one unique feature that truly makes this rickshaw different from all the others. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold front design. The motorcycle-style front gives it a sporty and premium appearance, while the sharp LED headlights and modern body styling create a futuristic road presence. Wherever it goes, this design is sure to attract attention. Powering this concept is a high-capacity smart battery designed to deliver an impressive 600-kilometer range. This long-range capability makes it suitable for extended daily operations without frequent charging stops. The advanced battery system is built to provide consistent performance and reliability. The driver's area has been designed with comfort in mind. A luxurious car-style driver's seat provides excellent support during long journeys. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, battery level, remaining range, and other essential vehicle information, making every drive more convenient. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a luxury car than a traditional auto rickshaw. Premium quality materials, spacious seating, and comfortable cushioning create a pleasant experience for both the driver and passengers. The vehicle is designed with seating for 22 passengers, allowing it to carry more people while maintaining comfort. One of the most remarkable highlights is its double-floor design. The lower and upper decks both provide passenger seating, while a strong, well-designed staircase allows easy access to the upper level. This innovative layout makes the vehicle both practical and visually unique. The roof is equipped with solar glass panels, giving the vehicle an even more futuristic appearance. These panels support the battery by utilizing sunlight, helping improve overall energy efficiency during daytime operation. Its strong body structure, smart three-wheel configuration, and heavy-duty tires are built for stability and confidence on different types of roads. The premium red finish, stylish black wheels, and modern body lines further enhance its attractive appearance. The expected price of this concept is around 450,000 Indian rupees, 4.5 lakh Indian rupees. Making it an interesting option in the premium electric auto rickshaw segment. Now it's time for the special reveal promised at the beginning of the video. The biggest strength of the 2027 Tata Desh Rakshak is not just its 600-kilometer range, but the incredible combination of a motorcycle-style front design, luxury car-inspired interior, 22-seat capacity, double-floor layout, and solar glass roof technology. This unique combination gives it a completely different identity and makes it one of the most eye-catching future auto rickshaw concepts. If you enjoyed this concept, let us know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Review TV.